Hello guys, welcome again back. Welcome to another video of NAAM KA Engineer, and today's video's topic is SolidWorks product design. So let's start the video and you guys watch this till to the end and listen carefully and learn the drawing how to draw a soccer of bike. Let's start our video. Watch it. So guys, at first we open here SolidWorks. So in SolidWorks, I have to select any of the plane where I want to draw this. So I'm selecting top plane for drawing. When you selecting top plane, so go to the top plane and left click, sorry, right click and go to the sketch button. This is the sketch button and this will start. So I click on the sketch button and then I'm going to this portion. Sorry, this is the extrude portion. Going to this portion, and at first I am drawing two circles of 60 mm. Two circles and putting this distance from this center point to this circle center point is 130 mm, and another one from this to this is 260 mm. Okay. Okay, after drawing circles, I'm going to extrude this. So exit the sketch and click on the extrude button here for you, and then the interface comes like this. And extrude this boost for 700 mm and select the thin features of 10 mm. Okay, when you select it, then click on the right or OK button. Then you get this interface in your screen. Okay, so this is not comes in color. So I am coloring this portion in another portion. So I will discuss it in this video. Listen carefully. After this extrude portion, I am going to another boost extrude portion. So after this, I am converting this portion and this portion convert entities. Okay, and I am telling you that this whole drawing is in top view portion, okay, or top plane portion. So when you convert these entities, go to the extrude boost portion, exit sketch and extrude bush this 200 mm and this direction to 300 mm. Okay, and blind portion. Okay, click on the blind portion, then click on right click. Okay, when you click on right click, then this portion is extruded. Okay, after extruding this boost comes in extrude thin features. Okay, so for thin features you have to click on the sketch portion in this portion and convert these entities and this circle at convert entities portion. When you convert these entities, click on the exit tool button and go to the extrude bush and put this 50 mm direction and click on the thin features button in one direction 8 mm. Okay, when you do this, click on the OK button. When you applying OK, then the interface comes like it. Next, fillet this extrude bush. Okay, for fillet this extrude bush, you can select this fillet portion and give a radius of 5 mm. Okay, when you give it, then it comes like this. And similarly, do another boost of fillet like it 5 mm, a radius 5. Okay, after that comes in extrude boost portion and this is like it. Click on the top plane and sorry, exit the sketch and draw at here. Click on the right click and here comes the option of sketch. I'm exiting. Click here and come sketch portion and go to the sketch button and it will look like this. And you have to draw this arc. Okay, when you selecting the arc, at first you have to draw some circles of diameter radius 60. Okay, radius 60 to draw two circles here. After drawing these circles, select on the arc tool and do this arc for this from this portion and do this arc for this portion and join them together and make a circle of 40 mm. Okay, after drawing it, uh, merge these draw lines and click here and draw a arc. Okay, when you draw these arcs, your interface comes like this and inside two circles. So trim these circles, and when you trim these circles the interface comes like this. Okay, then exit the sketch and click to the push extrude portion and push extrude it for 20 mm. Okay, click on the blind portion and select the sketch like me, then click on the OK button and it looks like this. Okay guys, it looks like this. After that, another extrude boost portion and make here a sketch portion, and when you click on the sketch portion it comes like this, and select this drawing and convert the entities for this, and it will comes like this, and click exit. After exiting, extrude boost for 10 mm, and when you extrude this boost for 10 mm, click on the right tool and it looks like this. Again, I'm telling you that this color is made by me and I am showing it in this video later. Okay, after this I'm doing this portion. Okay, for this portion, go to the drawing command, and when it comes to the drawing command, select this portion. Sorry, exit the sketch and select this portion and go to the sketch. Okay, when you go to the sketch, then it looks like this, and you select the hexagonal tool and draw it from center and draw this to this circle, and it so looks like this type hexagon inside like it, and then extrude this boss for 15 mm blind. Okay, then click on the OK button and it looks like this. Similarly, do this portion. Okay, and after this you have to convert these entities in similar area, and after converting this to extrude boost, extrude the boost for 3 mm. Okay, blind portion 3 mm extrude, then click on the OK button and it looks like this. Okay guys, I think I can understand you. Practice this with the watch. Okay guys, next portion is chamfering. So I'm chamfering this portion what I extrude, and I'm going to chamfer this for 5 mm. Okay, similarly do the chamfering of second portion here for same distance of 5 mm, and after this I'm going to fillet this portion and filleting this portion for the radius of 3 mm, and similarly it will be filleted of 3 mm like this. Okay guys, you can see the interface here and here. Okay, after this I'm going to extrude another portion and do this portion of this circle, and at first I have to convert these entities and these entities in this portion and going to draw portion, and when I do this exit this and extrude these bows for the face of this, clicking this face and 5 mm distance, click these linkages for 5 mm. Okay, then click on the right button and you got this, and after this you have to extrude another bow, and this is here, and then comes to this portion and draw two circles of 40 radius. Okay, when you draw this, keep the distance of 60 mm with both from this center point to this circle center point, and after completing this exit this drawing and exit the boost for 15 mm. Okay, and when you do this, click on the right button and the interface comes like this. You guys, I hope you guys can see it. It is in black color. Okay, you can see it. Then again another extra boost portion comes like this, and this is here. You have to draw in this phase. Click on this phase and here you can see the sketch button and click on the sketch button, and similarly this one, and draw a, here you can draw a rectangle and click on the center point and draw a rectangle, and give it small dimension of 40 mm and give this 60 mm. Similarly, draw this portion, and after drawing it, exit this drawing and exit the extrude the boost for 60 mm and click on the right button, and you can see this. Okay, after this you have to extrude cut, and extrude cut of this, like at first you have to make a circle here, and a circle of radius, and showing you the radius, becomes a small dimension, radius 40 mm. Okay, when you're selecting this and drawing this, after this you have to draw one arc here and rotationally draw two arc here and close these arcs, and go to the extrude cut command, exiting the sketch, and go to the extrude cut command, and do the up to the surface button, click, and click on this surface, and after clicking this surface, click on the right button, and you can see this. Okay, you can see this interface. After this, click on the fillet button and fillet this whole portions radius 2. Okay, fillet this for radius 2. After filleting it looks like this, and another fillet is going here for this portion and this portion of radius 3. Do this. After it, okay guys, here you have to select and go to the XZ, go to the sketch button and convert these two entities, okay, which are in this circle. Okay, after converting these entities, click on the exit drawing button and extrude boost portion, and extrude this boost for 10 mm in blind portion, and click on the right button, and you got this portion. And after this, I have another extrude cut portion, and for extrude cut, click on this portion and left click, and here you can see the sketch button, and go to the sketch button and draw a rectangle for this, and dimension this of 7.5 mm. Okay, and dimension this for 10 mm. Similarly, this is happening for this portion, and when you do this, exit sketch and extrude cut button, and extrude cut it for 5 mm, and then click on the right button, and you can see this interface comes. Okay, after this, create one plane at here. Okay, create an plane in here by supporting this face. Okay, when you're creating this plane, after this, another plane you have to draw here with the reference of plane 1, and draw the plane 2, and this is the distance of plane 2 is in the distance of 40 mm with plane 1. Okay guys, you can see these parameters. Then click on the right button and go to the another point, and this is the lock button. You have to draw in plane 2 to you have to draw some rectangles. Okay, one rectangle here, and in plane 1 you have to draw another rectangle here. I'm showing the rectangles. This is the rectangles. Okay, the dimension of rectangle is 20 mm here, and the distance of 10 mm, and let's click on the arc button and seal this. After this, do another here and go to the plane 2, exit the sketch. Oh, no. Exit the sketch button and go to the plane 2 and convert these entities here, and when it's done and it looks like this, these two faces, and click on the lock tool button and select this portion, this portion. Okay, select these close points here and this edge here, and you can see the previews, and click on the right button for preview. What happened? It looks like this. Okay guys, Similarly, we'll do these two and do a exit cut. Okay, for extrude cut, you have to select the plane. Okay, you have to click on this portion and go to the sketch button, and you have to draw a circle of 12 mm. The distance of the circle and this portion is 25 and makes your a arc at here, and seal it with a distance maximum than this face. And hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well and liking our videos. We are here with a new video of SolidWorks design. So I think you guys are liking our videos of SolidWorks drawing and enjoying these videos. So guys, if you are liking our videos, then please do like, comment, and share in our videos, and must subscribe our videos. And I have no words to thank you. Uh, what can I say? Please watch our videos and enjoy and do your drawings very well. I hope you guys enjoying these videos.